Hello, friends. Welcome back to the English Grammar Channel. Today, I will explain the different types of prepositions in English. Prepositions are very important because they help us show relationships between words such as time, place, direction, purpose, and more. In this lesson, we will learn 7 main types of prepositions with simple explanations and examples. Let's begin. First, prepositions of place. These prepositions show where something or someone is located. Examples include in, on, under, next to, between, and behind. They help us describe position and location. Let's practice some simple sentences. In. The keys are in the bag. The students are in the classroom. On. The book is on the table. The phone is on the desk. Under. The cat is under the chair. The shoes are under the bed. Next to. The bank is next to the school. She is sitting next to me. Between. The park is between 2 buildings. He is standing between his friends. Behind. The car is behind the house. She is hiding behind the door. Next, prepositions of time. These prepositions tell us when something happens. Examples include at, on, in, since, for, and until. Let's practice. At. I wake up at 6 a.m. The meeting is at night. On. We have a test on Monday. Her birthday is on May 10th. In. I was born in 2000. She studies in the morning. Since. I have lived here since 2018. He has worked here since January. For. I have studied English for 2 years. They stayed for a week. Until. We waited until 5 p.m. She worked until midnight. Now, prepositions of direction or movement. These show movement from one place to another. Examples include to, from, into, out of, toward, and across. Let's practice. To. He went to school. She is going to the market. From. I came from home. She traveled from London. Into. The child went into the room. He jumped into the water. Out of. She came out of the house. The cat ran out of the box. Toward. He walked toward the park. She is moving toward the door. Across. They walked across the street. He swam across the river. Next is prepositions of manner. These show how something is done. Examples include by, with, without, like, as, and through. Let's practice. By. I travel by bus. She came by car. With. He writes with a pen. I cut the paper with scissors. Without. I went out without my phone. She worked without help. Like. He looks like his father. It tastes like chocolate. As. He works as a teacher. She acted as a leader. Through. We learned through experience. He passed through the tunnel. Now, prepositions of purpose. These show the reason or purpose of an action. Examples include for, to, in order to, so as to, for the purpose of, and with the aim of. Let's practice. For. This gift is for you. I did it for fun. To. I study to succeed. She works to support her family. In order to. I wake up early in order to exercise. He saved money in order to buy a car. So as to. She whispered so as to not wake him. He left early so as to catch the bus. For the purpose of. The meeting was held for the purpose of planning. With the aim of. He trains with the aim of winning. Next, prepositions of means or instrument. These show the method or tool used. Examples include by, with, via, through, using, and by means of. Let's practice. By. I contacted him by email. She travels by train. With. He fixed it with a tool. She cut the paper with scissors. Via. I sent the message via WhatsApp. Through. We communicate through technology. Using. He solved the problem using a calculator. By means of. The data was collected by means of surveys. Finally, prepositions of comparison. These show comparison between two things. Examples include than, as, like, unlike, compared with, and compared to. Let's practice. Than. She is taller than me. This task is easier than that one. As. He is as strong as his brother. She is as smart as her friend. Like. This sounds like music. He runs like a professional athlete. Unlike. Unlike me, she enjoys math. Compared with. Compared with last year, sales increased. Compared to. This movie is great compared to the old version. Thank you for watching this lesson from the Speak Fluent English channel about prepositions in English. I hope it has helped you understand them more clearly. See you in the next lesson.